Hello, Gondi, hello, God, and no mu heki dolly, no, because my look dog like a young clown, I can't no mu aware. I follow one young clown, how do you look or put that at the without one your baba, much of the look or let take a bad or the other man, one your clown, again, the two shania, away YouTube channel kind of that they may other man, one your clown, you get the alcohol cloth for it. Maybe Bola at the one your bab, how one your bab, want to lure mamma, okay, Bola, how one your baba, or upgrade one your bascover. ดอกแต่นับประวัติยากลอสิกว่าว่าหมอนน้อยเกี่ยวได้เลยว่าผู้สร้างที่เลยให้ด้วยแล้วก็เคยที่ว่าหมอนน้อยจะเลย YouTube channel เขาดึงตั้งผู้สร้างนี้อันกี้ยังมาได้ออกเลยเอาไว้ก็ว่ากลอหมอนน้อยมีเลยตั้งช่วงคือเขาดึงอันกี้ยึดเตอเลยเอาไปยกล้อหมอนน้อยโดนการแบบว่าเลยอัตโตที่ผ่านน้อยมีเฮที่ไว้ได้ดอกมีชั่วโมงเกมบลูนะหมอนน้อยนั่นคือ follow ยาแล้ว Facebook มีเงินที่ has subscribe อ่านเขาเลย YouTube channel แล้วนั่นคือแชร์เนี่ยที่สิกว่าเนาะที่เขาดึงเนี่ยแล้วปุ๊กวิดีโอขี้ขันเนาะประมาณรู้ไว้ได้เอาไว้ก็ย้อนลิมูป้าหมอเลยโอเคเวลาเลิกก็เราว่ากลอบริเนปเมที่เวลาปย้อนลิมูป้าเนี่ยก็ฟอจัลเลนนี่จะพูดภาษาที่ก็สิ่งอย่างก็แต่นี่ยังหาดิเนี่ยเอาไว้โอติกิที่พันนี่ก็สโลวิกิมาโอติกิที่พันนั่นแหละยังแต่เนาะเตะบ้านมันเนาะดอกแต่นี่ยังเนี่ยโอติกิเวลาสักบอกเธอเนาะแล้วไปตัวสโลว์ได้แบบนี้แล้วประมาณวิดีโอคีคาลิโอคนเนี่ยเอาไว้บุกวิลิมันเนาะแต่นี่ยังเนี่ยโอติกิสักบอกเธอเนี่ยก็สโลวิกิวิบริบก็เลยสปีกเฮมันเนาะOkay, ini because South also look you what I love. Camera, how do you do that one? South look what I love. So then, in this video, we will try to finish the alphabet as much as possible. So in the next video, we can start speaking Korean. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet and you want to learn Korean, you want to learn more about Korean people and the history, you can also subscribe and share. Also, if you want to learn more about health and wellness, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that niya is bata uti gisa ko phla la ni ka ka ma wiki wa ba sa te ba ka to lo ba nyo ta ka tu te ni ba te ni no. So the first alphabet is S. S makes s sound like s. So the alphabet in Korean that makes s sound is sat. Sapla and sabi, so these two make also s sound like s. And then the next one is T. T make t sound. So the T in Korean, the alphabet in Korean that make a T sound is tataki. It's t. And then for the next one is U. You can make a sound different, and then the alphabet that make a U sound is like W. W in Korean is a yaoto, but it makes a U sound. So you can it can be like or U. So it makes y sound. So we can say y. And then for the V in Korean, once again, we don't have the V alphabet in Korean alphabet, so there is no sound in Korean that make a V sound. Okay. And then for English W, the Korean alphabet that make W sound is wa. Wakawa is like w. So they make a w sound, right? So but in Korean it's wakawa. They make a w sound like w. Okay. 0 is W and then U is W in Korean. So you just have to memorize this. In Korean, W is U in English. In English, W is O. Okay, O is make a W sound. Okay, and the next one is X. Make us X. But we don't have the alphabet that make the X sound either. So I think the alphabet that closer to the X sound is like a man is make like a sh sound like xenophobia. So then you can use this alphabet like a sh. Okay, if you use it like a xenophobia. And then the next one is Y. For the Y, it makes y sound. So it's also the next W. Okay, Y also make y. So in Korean, yaoto is also make y, like a sound like Y in English. The next one is Z. we don't have alphabetic sound except like a Z, but we do have a Satabi. Satabi is very close to Z, like a S. S. It sounds between S and Z, so Satabi like C, C, Z, S, S. Okay, Z is like Z, Z, so we can use Satabi like S, S. Okay, that's the closer I can find. And then the next one, the last alphabet in Korean is Nya, 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 and then Nga. These two words we don't have in English. This Nga, okay. We don't have so many. So NY is Nya, Nya. This is extra, okay. This is extra. English don't have this alphabet, but we do in Korean. So and Y make nya sound. Nya, nya, nya. Okay. The next one is Nga, Nga. Those two we don't have in English, but we have them in Korean. Those two. So Nga, Nga is makes like Nga, Nga. So usually English don't have a Nga sound, but in Korean we have. So Nga is Nga, Nga. Auto Nga, Nga nuclear is Nga, Nga, and then for Nya is Nya new call is Nya, 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 Nya sound. Okay. Right now we finished the alphabet, so in the next video we will try to combine consonants as much as possible, and then for the following videos we will try to start basic Korean. So if you want to continue learning with me, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.